Hi, welcome back to our kitchen.
And on today's 4th of July special menu, we're going to be creating a Patriot pizza pie. Now, this recipe is a little bit more labor intensive, but it's totally worth it, trust me. So, be sure to click on the link in the description below to get full details on the exact ingredients you'll need, as well as the steps to create your own Patriot pizza pie.
And get ready, because we food hard.
Hi guys, so we're ready to get our Patriot pizza pie started. So you guys may have noticed that a lot of the ingredients we've been using throughout the videos this week are pretty much the same ingredients, but we're just making completely different dishes. And we did this because we know how much easier it is to go to the grocery store and buy a select few ingredients and then make a ton of dishes out of them. All right, so since we had an extra dough ball, we took the dough ball, rolled it out, and then I took a fork and I poked the dough ball all the way around and in the middle, as you can see down here. And what I did was I took about, I'd say like half a tablespoon of just regular granulated sugar. I sprinkled that on top, and then I put it in the oven for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So it's all set. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. I just wanna make sure that the brown sugar is nice and melted. So I'll see you guys when we bring it out of the oven. Our Patriot pizza pie is cooking and it's almost done. So we're gonna go ahead and start the topping mixture. All right, we're gonna go ahead and check on our Patriot pizza pie. I can smell it already and it smells delicious. See you soon. Our Patriot pizza pie is now out of the oven. I just want you to take a look. It is nice and golden around here. You can see that the crust is nice and firm. All the berries are melted. So, I'm gonna go ahead and top it off. Now it's time to enjoy. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget, click on the link in the description below for a full list of the ingredients, as well as how to make your own Patriot pizza pie. And don't forget, work hard, food harder.